Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start at the Square dashboard because that's where hours live. Sign in and pick the Business or Locations tab for the site you're updating. Once selected, make sure you have owner or manager permissions so you can save changes. Now click the specific location name to open its settings. This initial access step is necessary to surface the hours controls. If you want to edit multiple locations, repeat this initial selection for each location before moving on to detailed edits. You're in the Hours section now, so choose whether you're editing regular hours or adding special hours for holidays. This determines scope. Then set open and close times with the drop-downs, and add a break or split shift if your day has 2 periods. Once done, use Add Hours to create extra shifts or staggered schedules for staff. Make sure to double-check AM/PM and that overlapping times aren't created, because errors will prevent bookings or show wrong availability. Save your edits and confirm publish so the new hours go live. This final save step pushes changes to the POS and online listings. After saving, verify the public business listing and your Square POS device to confirm the hours display correctly. If you see a mismatch, make sure you resync the location settings and clear your browser cache or app data, because stale local data often shows old hours. If problems persist, you can revert to a previous schedule and retry the edits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.